Diane here. Welcome back. I'm making this video for those of us who made Google Classroom for the first time last year. As we're starting our next year online, this will help save some time showing you how to copy your classroom from last year so that you can reuse some of those features. And to archive the class so that you could look at it later on if you would like. But some of us might be feeling like, it really didn't go the way I thought, and I'm going to start from scratch. So I'll also just remind you about that. So if you are someone who liked your class and you would like to copy it, I'm going to show you how now. So what you would do if you would like to copy it is I'm in my Google Classroom, and these are the two classes that are there. This class is the one from last year that I would like to archive, but before I do that, I want to copy it so I can reuse it. So what you're going to do is go to these three dots right here, click on Copy. You can fill these settings in later. And what's cool about this is the students won't be there, but it'll still have all your assignments from before, and you'll be able to edit them as you would like. So let me show you this is a copy I've made already of my class last year. And so you can see when I open it, it doesn't have any of the dates or upcoming things from last year. It doesn't have any of my stream posts I'd made. It doesn't have any of the people, they haven't joined yet. But in the classwork section, I can see all of my units from last year. And notice most of them are gray. That means they're a draft. So you can edit them, you can change them however you would like. You could delete them because you don't want to do that lesson again. And they will not show to the students until you have posted them. So like for example, this one here I've posted, so it's showing, and this one would be viewable to students once they join my class. So I could move around units if I wanted to, but it's all here from my last school year for me to manipulate as I want. Now that I've copied my class, I don't need this class here anymore, so I'm going to archive it. So I'm going to go to those three dots and I'm going to archive it. When you archive a class, everything stays the same. And the way you find them is clicking here on Classes and go to Archived Classes. And so this is my class from last year, so you can see everything's exactly the same. The posts I made from last year are still there. The classwork's there with the original dates. The people that were in that class are still there. So everything is there. The grades are still there. So that's another good reason to archive it, is because some of the work is still there just in case something comes up in the beginning of the year. So if I go back to my classes now, I don't see that class anymore. Now if you're someone who wants to start fresh, then you would just come on over to the good old plus sign here and create a new class. And start with your settings, the name of your class, and so take class. And then you can start fresh. And you don't have to think about any of the stuff from last year. So once your class is all set up, you're ready to get going on how you would like to start fresh this year. I hope that was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to email me or message me and let me know. Thanks.